Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the files. Let's link rows now. First, choose the target sheet where linked values will live and pick the matching key column in the source. Use direct formulas for simple one-to-one rows. Use index/match when keys are not aligned. Use Power Query for large or repeated merges. Once you've chosen, select the first target cell, type equals, switch to the source and click the source cell, then press Enter to create a stable reference. Next, make your linking robust. If you'll copy formulas, lock columns or rows with $so references don't shift unintentionally. When keys are unsorted or duplicated, use index with match for a single value return. Match finds the row, index returns the value. For multiple columns, drag or copy formulas, or use structured tables and refer to column names. Make sure to wrap formulas with IFR to show blanks or messages instead of errors, and recalculate if external files are closed. Finish by validating results and choosing permanence. If you want a static snapshot, copy the linked range and paste special values. If you need live updates, use data refresh all or manage links to update external workbooks. If something goes wrong, first verify keys match exactly. Trim spaces, align text/number formats, and confirm there are no hidden characters. If links still break, check workbook paths and recalculate. One tip: use trim and value to normalize problematic key fields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.